Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy S24. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open. And now you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. And here you can customize your home page, or you can click not now. Now you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And your Microsoft Edge is now installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.